Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to delete your watch history in TikTok. It is very easy to do. First let's open TikTok and go to the profile and then tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Here scroll down and tap on activity center. Now just tap on watch history and here you can see the videos that you have watched earlier. Now tap on select in the top right corner and then make sure to select all videos and then tap on delete, and as you can see your watch history has been deleted. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.